Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to clear and delete cache file and free up storage space on your Android phone. Ordinarily, for every Android phone user, there is always cache file for each app you have on your Android phone, and sometimes we may not be able to understand how this cache file generated, which large of file on our phone, and as a result it consume a lot of storage space on our phone. And in this video I will show you on how to delete unnecessary cache file and free up enough storage space on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said, for every apps you have on your Android phone, it always generates cache file. So let's see how we can simply delete cache file and free up enough space on our Android phone. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure for instance, I'm going to use this app right here. So what we want to do is to simply click and hold down, then allow this to pump up. Now, next thing we want to do is to simply make sure we look for app info. So I'm going to simply click on that and take me right here. Now, as you can see right here, this app here has generated about 1.14 gig use in internal storage. So what we want to do is to click on storage and cache. Then we have the analysis right here. App size is just 675 megabytes. Data used by the app is 466. Cache right here is 16.38. Then total make it 1.14 gig. Now what we need to do right here is to simply click on clear cache. Then we have successfully cleared the cache. Then we have to click on clean storage. This app, including file and setting, will permanently delete from this device. Then click on delete. Once you delete, you save a lot of storage space on your Android phone. Let's take a look at another app. So for instance, I'm going to use this particular browser app right here. I'm going to click and hold down, and this time around we make sure we also click on app info. Then we go to storage and cache. So right here we have just 8.19 kilobytes for cache. Then the data usage is 36. So we have to come down below here and click on clear cache. Then we have to clean storage. Then click on delete. Now you see data usage right here. We have saved a lot of space on our phone. So you can go back to the home page. You can go on and do this with all the apps you have on your Android phone. By doing this, you are saving a lot of storage space on your Android phone. I'm going to click and hold down this app again, and I'll make sure I click on app info. Then we go to storage and cache. Then what we want to do here, this one is using about 39 megabytes. I will simply click on clear storage. I'll click on delete. Storage and cache have been totally deleted, and we save a lot of space right here. So it's as simple as that. And one more thing you can do on your Android phone, if you take a look of an Android apps that you are no longer using on your Android phone, simply delete them. And then by doing that, you are still free up a lot of space on your Android phone. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to delete cache file and free up enough space on your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.